Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet 59. We've now got a 1968 351 Windsor Mustang engine, vintage engine, with working fans. And even if I do say so myself, it sounds pretty sweet. We've been 6 months sitting under covers waiting for the English weather to sort itself out and stop raining and stop being so damp. And you've only got to look at this. Barely touched it since October last year, and it's looking pretty cool, even if I say so myself. She's a beaut, and hopefully we'll get it on the road in the next week or so, get it to a show or two, and we'll keep you posted on how it's all going. But yeah, happy to be proud owner of, I think, the most beautiful van on the planet.